name is Jennifer and I'm really excited for today's video just because it's a brand that I freaking love. I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere, CVS, Walmart, Target, everywhere. I love this product, this brand. It's just everything that it stands for. It's cruelty free, it's natural, it's organic ingredients, like the price is just right, and it's Shea Moisture. All the products that I bought are under $10 except for one product, which is the actual palette. I try to get things that you could do a full face on, so we're just going to be testing everything out. I have the receipt right here, so literally everything was under $10 except for that palette, and it all came to a total of $39.14, so that was with taxes and shipping. So let's get started. I'm really excited to start off with the foundation. So it came in this box right here. I bought two because they have very darker shades, so I bought two. I got these two right here. This one is nutmeg and this one is hazel. This one's definitely the one that's more compatible with my skin color right now. This one's more darker, it's definitely more deep. We're gonna just try this right off the bat, and before trying it, let me put my primer on. So we're going to use the Angel Veil primer. So we're going to start with the foundation, and again, this is the color Nutmeg. So I want to use one side with the beauty blender, and then we'll use the other side with a brush. So that is one side with the foundation, and that's without. So without, perfect color, I would say. Looks honestly super like in tune with my neck. Okay, for the other side, we're just gonna use a regular schmegler BH Cosmetics brush. I feel like the foundation is very oily. I think that's just what it is. That's one of the ingredients, like oil, so I could feel that right away. So for concealer, I'm just going to use one of my concealers. I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. So what I'm going to do is use my own powder since I didn't buy an actual powder. I'm just going to use the Airspun powder, and guys, it's been a couple minutes and I still feel the like foundation coming off. So yeah, hopefully when I set it, it sets and it doesn't move. So I don't have the best of news for you guys. The foundation is still kind of like, it hasn't set yet, even with putting powder over it. So that's one thing to think about when you're gonna purchase the foundation. The next product that I got was this palette that I spoke about in the beginning. This is the $10 palette. So we have the blush, the bronzer, we have these colors right here that are very fall kind of colors. So I was like, yes, and this is how it is. Oops. And this is how it is. Oops. The thing that was kind of confusing to me was I thought this was a blush and this was a bronzer, but it's not. This, you could use it as a blush and also for your lips, and then this one is also a blush. So the first one that I want to start off using is, let me see, I would like to start off using this color right here just all over the lid, and that color is Crystal. Oh wow, very pigmented. So that color went on very pigmented and it blended out so fast. The next color I want to try is I really want to try all of them for you guys. I'm going to try to do that. I'm very intrigued with this green color right here. I've been wanting to do like a green, army green look, so that's kind of one of the reasons why I got the palette. I like this green, so hopefully it looks nice. It's called Jessica. So the next color I want to use is this color right here. It's like a darker brown, and that one is, let me see, okay, that one is Julian. Wow, so that's a very pigmented color right there. So far, I'm pretty speechless off of this $10 palette. These 3 colors I've used so far have gone on like butter, and the colors have been very, very pigmented. So the next color that I love all these colors. I want to use all of them. Let's use I want to use this gold color right here for the inner corner. That color is called Nelly. So that one is taking a bit longer to apply, and on my finger it's very shimmery, but it's not really like going on my eyelid so much. So that's actually the only color that's not so pigmented. The next color we're gonna get is, let's just get this like white creamy color right here to put that on the brow bone. We're gonna use the color Hannah, which is that one right here. Okay, so you could really see that color. Let's see what I want to use now. I want to use this color right here. It's like a brown rosy gold. I don't even know how to say it. It's just this nice shimmery color. That one is called Donna. So I'm just gonna use this one up here, just so we can use all 4 on the top. Here's the thing. So I feel like these colors in the top 4, swatching them and using them, they are super pigmented, super easy to blend. The ones in the bottom are not as much pigmented. So to finish up with this eye look, I want to use this gold eyeliner long wear eye pencil that I bought from them as well. And this says that it's waterproof, smudge proof, and easy, and it's cruelty free as well. So we're going to use that. Wow, that went on very fast and very creamy. Hey guys, so I am back. I did my eyebrows, just fold them in really quickly with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I just put some mascara on, curled my lashes, and put some eyeliner. So I'm just going to use my trusty Tarte palette, Clay Play palette. I love this palette, so I'm just going to use the bronzer right here in the middle. It's called Desert, and just going to do that really quick just so we can get started on the blush. Okay, bronzer is on, so we're going to go back and use this blush. It looks very dark, but swatching it on my hand, it was very light, so we're just gonna use that. That blush is called Peach. So now to the actual lip. To finish up this look, I bought these 2 colors, and this is a Ultra Shine lip gloss, and this is in the color Jewel. So that's Jewels. It's a very pigmented gloss. As you can see, it's very orangey, and this color over here is very fall inspired, and this is the same Shea Butter Ultra Shine lip gloss. They're both the same collection, and this is in the color Loredana. So this is Loredana. It's a lip gloss, so I wasn't expecting for this to be super pigmented, but for a lip gloss it does have, you know, a bit of color, and it doesn't match the color on the actual packaging. Okay, so this is the final look. The palette itself was so good. I was really surprised with the pigmentation on all these colors up here. Like I said, the bottom colors needed a little bit more pigment, but I'm sure if you use like a white base, you can get the color to pop a little bit more. The foundation, maybe that something was, I didn't expect for it to be as oily as it was. Considering that I have really oily skin, it's not something that I will most likely use again. Hopefully they change their formula. So yeah, I definitely see myself using this palette again, and also using the eyeshadow that I didn't get to show you guys. This is so pigmented. This is in the color Daisy, if I didn't say it before, but it's very pigmented, so I definitely see myself using it again. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this quick little demo / review, and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you have any questions or any comments, just leave them below, and if you like this video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.